Hello everyone. Okay, I'm gonna turn that back up. Hello everyone, so what's up, Mike? Okay, I'm gonna be honest, that music's actually disturbing me. Let me find a map to go in, please. Any map. Any map. I'm not gonna lie, that music is really disturbing me. Anyways, hello everyone, it's FuntimeXFC. Underscore between AlexFC. I've done non-stop recording so far. Not even time to try to post other videos, which probably could have been a good idea to start doing, so I don't have to wait for a while. But other than that, it's great. I think I already know the strategy to win this one. I've done this map, so I should know how to win. Yep, going for long first. Long wins all the games. Except for that game. That game. Oh, wait. Oh, no. There we go. Unstoppable. Nobody can stop. Not even the Army of Blues can stop them. I'm not gonna lie. I was hoping a red just sneaks past. Alright. Like the last video. I wanted to know if I want to talk about. If I wanted to continue talking about female towers. Let's see. I lost a health. That counts, right? Yeah, no? Okay, cool. No, I'm kind of leaning towards yes. Still talking about the towers. But let's say it's just a melee male tower versus a female tower with range possibilities. Yeah, let's think about those. First, we should talk always about the female first. What should the female tower be if it's not a melee? Well, it grants a lot of possibilities. It can be, scientist role got taken already. Well, not really, but there's already a lot of support towers that kind of do it. We don't need a support tower female, do we? Do we want a magic? I've been thinking about a female Phoenix type, but it's already taken as an upgrade. That's boring. Alright, let's see. Utapapapi. No, okay, cool. I'm sorry. What about a Statue of Liberty? Okay, no, but think about it. The possibilities of endlessness, yeah. I'm dancing in front of the Aussie. He's not amused. I'm gonna get that before I commit die later. It's fun not committing die. Did you know? I forgot I need my sharpshooting roll thing. Yeah. So let me get this first. Like brother, let's go. If I were to end up getting 5 tiers, these two would be crossbow masters. They dominate the whole thing. Anyways, let's talk about a female. I keep getting off track, so I'm gonna turn down the music. I'm actually having a problem thinking. Usually music helps me focus when I'm silent, but talking, I get distracted by it, okay? Okay. Well, what do they not got? They don't have a pikeman. No, let's not talk about the pikeman right now. Don't want to do a crossbow. Crossbow's already taken. By a male tower. Oh gosh. Why do male towers exist? Look at this. It probably doesn't sound right, but okay. I'm brainstorming ideas. Do you know, I hate it when the balloons just come right in for the spikes. It's so annoying. You can't do anything. I'm gonna hope I get like 3,000 before round 40, because this is so annoying having to face these balloons. There we go. Now let's get 1,000 this round and get it over with. Fuck. Oh. There we go. We actually have stuff now. You know, I'm gonna be honest, I feel like I tried doing this before. I decided, fuck this. I think that's what I'm gonna do now. I think I'm gonna go back to the easier one, yeah. Oh gosh. I don't exactly remember how I beat this, but I'll try something. Alright, I'm starting to have some ideas. Come and get your freedom. Freedom fighters. Hum 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 hum. I think I should get Druid of the Jungle first. Seems like a thing to get. Well, nothing could have avoided that, probably. I should probably get camel detection, huh? They're not on strong, so does foreign stuff target strong? I can survive more, which is great. Alright, let's go back to the topic I keep saying but keep getting distracted. Okay, let me think about something before I say it. Again, I kind of feel like this will backfire, but I think it might be worth it. A cook female tower. It's perfect. They use the spatula, they throw food at balloons. It's perfection. There's an upgrade for spicy food that hurts leads. Maybe some spice to make it spicy. You know, it's gonna be great. It's a great experience. Everybody's going to love it. Then they can have ovens that can maybe spurt out some fire stuff. Yeah. It's gonna go great. It's gonna go great. Lovely. You're shitting me, right? You gotta be fucking with me. I have to redo all of it. I'll be back. Alrighty, I think I'm gonna point to the my nose. I made about an attempt and I failed a attempt. Oh gosh. Alright, we can continue, nothing's wrong. Nothing bad's gonna happen. Except for that. I just realized, what am I gonna do about, I'm about to deny some balloons, that's what's about to happen. Oh gosh. It's very scary like this. Now we could sell a guy for 2,000. So what, I'm like 21,000? Okay, so that guy make 5,000. Yeah! I've been sad this whole time because I've been trying to try hard this race. Yeah! Try hardness. Oh, it feels great. I could probably end this video and go to another one. Oh, feels great. Alright, hope you all enjoyed, and I'll go to the next video. Bye! Have a fun— oh, before I mention that. Take that, average killers! Anyways, have a fun time, everyone. Bye! Have a fun time, my son.